Hello everyone, this is April J. Palapas from BEdUC, and this morning I will share to you one of my favorite video editing application where I edit my video presentations like this. This app is very easy to use, yet could produce a quality video presentation. What is PowerDirector? It is a full-featured video editing tools that you can use to create your own videos with all kinds of files, photos, video clips, and audio track. Before we use this application is first, we need to download PowerDirector from Google Play or App Store. Wait until it is completely installed and then press open. After that, it will bring us directly to its homepage where we can see tutorials, new project, and produced videos. If you want, you can go check tutorials where you can see lots of video tutorials in using this application. For now, I will show you how I edit my video presentation. Click the new project, and then PowerDirector will provide you two options, either in landscape or portrait format. After you select, press OK. After that, choose pictures, clips, video, anything you want to add in your video presentation. If there is unnecessary part, just cut, delete, and adjust your video clip. In adding text, same process applies. Again, select this icon, go to the text, then choose what you like and type anything you want. It is up to you if you want to change the font style, color, and adding of shading into your text. To add transition in every clip, cut your base aligned to the end of every clip. Then click the lightning icon and then choose what transition you want. To add music, select the music icon and choose appropriate background music to your video presentation. You can also edit the volume and add fading effect to your audio. If you are already done editing, it is time to save your video. Click this icon above and select Produce Video. Then go to Save, Gallery, and FB Card. Select video resolution you wanted. The higher the resolution, the longer it takes to save or produce. Wait until it is successfully produced, and you may check it in your gallery if it is ready to view or play.